Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are excited for this weekend's clearance event at Dollar General. So this video is a part 2. We're going to be going over some more visuals for the clearance event, and I have some updated lists for you guys to screenshot. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, any deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So first up we have the Colgate Twin Pack Whitening Toothpaste. This is going to be marked down to $2.25. We have a 50 cents off one from the 117 Smart Source. That'll leave you paying $1.75. So here we have some toothbrushes. Now, the first one starting on the left is the Philips Sonic Care Simply Clean Brush Head. Now, this is marked at 25% off in my store. I forgot to write down the original price, so you'll just have to scan that in store if you find it. Next up, we have the DG Health Pro Essential Clean Smile Sonic Toothbrush. Those are also marked down at 25%, but after the clearance event, that will be just $1.88. And then the one on the far right is the DG Health Easy Flex Total Power Battery Toothbrush Refill. That'll be just $1.88. Here we have the Reach Toothbrush Crystal Clean 2-count. This will be marked down to 90 cents. Next up, we have the DG Health Denture Adhesive Zinc Free 2.4 ounces. This will be $1.13. And next up, we have the DG Health Anti-Cavity Fluoride Mouthwash. This will be all the way down to $1.13. Here is another coupon matchup. This is with a digital coupon. So this is the U by Kotex Security Light Day Liners 96 count. They will be marked all the way down to $2.59. After that $1 off one digital coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying $1.59. Here we have the Snuggle 2-pack refills, linen scented ones. These will be $2.25. Here we have the Power Stick Body Spray. These will be marked down to just 45 cents. Next up, we have the Ladies Speed Stick Deodorant 2-pack Invisible Dry Shower Fresh. These will be marked down to $1.70, but we have a 50 cent off one from the 117 Smart Source, and that'll leave you paying just $1.20. Next up, we have the DG Body Dandruff Shampoo Blue Max. This is like the off-brand of the Selsum Blue. This will be marked down to $1.91. Here is a really good coupon matchup. Sorry about the blue text that didn't show up as well as I thought it would. But this is on the Suave Professionals Coconut Plus Vanilla. These are going to be marked down to $1.13. If you buy one and use that 1 off 1 digital coupon, or we also have the same paper coupon that came in the Unilever insert, that'll make them just 13 cents. Or you can buy two, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon or paper coupon, and that'll make it completely free, plus a 75-cent moneymaker. Next up, we have the Studio Selection 2-in-1 Dandruff Shampoo and Conditioner. These will be just $1.24. And here we have another coupon matchup. So this is a digital coupon. So this is on the Tresemme Shampoo and Conditioner Damage Protect. These will be $1.80. After that 1 off 1 digital coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying just 80 cents. Next up, we have the L'Oreal Hairspray Locket Bold Hold 8.25 ounces. This will be just $1.80. And what is supposed to be right beside it is the L'Oreal Boosted Volume Mousse, the 8.3 ounce. This will be $1.80 as well. Next up, we have the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. This will be just $2.70. And this item I didn't have a picture for in my previous video. I went to a different store today to kind of check and see what all they had. So this is on the Zest Cocoa and Shea Butter 16.5 ounce body wash. This will be marked all the way down to $1.13. Here's another really good coupon matchup. So if you want to pick up the Suave Flavor Factory Melon Madness Body Wash or the Sugar Cookie Smash, these will be marked down to $1.80. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching with these, making them just $1.60 for 2. Next up, we have a couple more razors. So we have the Bic Flex 3 disposable razor, 3 blade, 4 count. These will be just $2.70. Then we have the Schick Extreme 4 disposable razor 3 count. These will be $2.70. Now we do have a 3 off 1 digital coupon, but I'm not sure if this is attaching to this specific item. You'll just have to scan it in store and see if it works. Next up, we have the Studio Selection Men's Twin Blade Handle plus 12 cartridges. Not a bad deal at all. This will be all the way down to $2.25. And here we have the Big Comfort 3 Pivot Razor 4 count. These will be $1.58. Next up, we have a few food items. So we have the Sea Best Cooked Salad Shrimp. These will be just $2.06. We also have the Sour Patch Kids Ice Cream 8 ounces. These will be all the way down to 75 cents. Now, we do have a lot of Lego products, so be on the lookout. Make sure that you're scanning when you get in store. I'm going to show you guys the ones that I have pictures of. So this is on the Lego Friends Juice Truck. This is normally $20, and it's only going to be $9 this weekend. Next up, we have the Lego Classic Creative Blue Bricks. These will be just $2.25. And then we also have the Lego Classic Assorted Bricks, 123 pieces. This will be just $4.50. And here we have some as seen on TV items. I'm going to show you again the ones that I have actual pictures for, not just the tags. So this is on the Easy Eggs Egg Peeler. This will be just $4.50. Here we have the Flex Glue 6 ounce. This will be all the way down to $5.85. And then we have the Screen Caddy Screen Top Shelf. This will be $4.50. So now we're going to get into the makeup products. So a lot of the Believe Beauty items will be included in this clearance event. So as you can see here, all of these are tagged. This is on the Beauty Skin Finish Foundations and the bronzing powders. Those will be $2.25. And then we also have the blush and highlights. Those will be $2.13. And here we have the Maybelline Color Sensation lipsticks. These will be just $2.28. Here we have the Studio Selection Blending Sponge. These will be just 90 cents. So here's another really good coupon matchup. We have the CoverGirl Eyeshadow Natural Nudes and Country Woods. These will be marked down to $2.25. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon as well as a paper coupon. So after that coupon, that'll leave you paying just 25 cents. Here we have a lot of those CoverGirl Cheekers. These will be marked down to just $2.03. So next up we have some CoverGirl blushes. Now there was several different colors. I'm just trying to give you guys the basics because I know that you guys are going to be watching it in the morning and anxious to get to the store. So we have the CoverGirl blushes. These will be marked down to $2.48. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon or a paper coupon, and that'll make those just 48 cents. And here we have some CoverGirl mascaras. Now again, there was several different ones that you could choose from. These will be marked down to $2.25. After that 2 off 1 digital coupon or paper coupon comes off, that'll leave you paying just 25 cents. There was also some that were going to be marked down to $2.70, and that'll leave you paying just 70 cents after the digital or paper coupon. Next up, we have the CoverGirl Outlast Liquid Lipsticks. These are normally $8. They're going to be all the way down to $3.60. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon or a paper coupon, and that'll put you at $2.60 each. So there's also going to be a lot of Wet n Wild makeup products that'll be marked down. So this is on the Wet n Wild makeup sticks. These will be $2.25. We have a 1 off 1 paper coupon from the 117 Smart Source. So that'll leave you paying $1.25. And here are some Wet n Wild concealers. So these will be all the way down to $1.80. After that 1 off 1 paper coupon comes off from the 117 Smart Source, that'll leave you paying just 80 cents. And also, a lot of the highlighters and blushes were marked down as well. So the highlighter powders will be $2.25. After that 1 off 1 paper coupon from the 117 Smart Source, that'll leave you paying $1.25. Alright guys, so now I'm going to share with you the list that I typed up. You guys can take a screenshot of this, and then that way you'll have something to work with when you're in the store. So a lot of the items that I have updated on this list, I didn't show you guys pictures of because they were just simply tags in the store. And I didn't want you guys to have to watch a big long video first thing this morning of a bunch of tags. That's not very productive. But I did update the list. There are a few more things that are added in that wasn't in yesterday's video. And like I said, every store is going to be different. Everybody's going to be doing different things. I literally went 5 minutes down the road to a second store today just to check it out, kind of scope it out, see what was going on. And they had a whole lot more things tagged in store. So I hope that these lists are helpful. Like I said, every store is going to be different. Some stores may not be tagged at all. And if that's the case, you're going to have a big advantage because other people aren't going to know that those items are clearance priced. So, like I said, make sure that you go in and either ask the cashier, what is the clearance event? What are you guys doing? Because when you get up to the register, they may manually take off an additional 50% off of the price that it's scanning in the app, or an additional 70% or an additional 75%. I've even seen an additional 90%. So you never know what you're going to get. You just need to ask. It's not really a secret about the clearance event. They should have signs up tomorrow. So that may also be something that you need to look out for if you're, they may have a sign on the door or in the clearance section itself. Now, I did get a really good question on my previous video. If you missed part 1, I will link it in a pinned comment down below. You definitely need to go and check that out. There's a lot of really good visuals in that video. A lot of good information, especially if this is your first clearance event. You definitely need to go and watch that video first. But someone asked me, okay, so if I go in on Saturday and I'm doing my 5 off 25 deals and I want to add in a clearance item, what is the price that I add on to, build up my $25 subtotal? So what you would do is just scan that item in the app, and whatever price that it's pulling up in the app is what it's going to scan at the register for. Now, so that would be the price that you would add in with your $25 deal. However, if your store is manually taking off an additional 50% off at the register, which means that they're cutting whatever price the item rings up at, they're cutting that in half and taking an additional 50% off, that might be a little tricky. So it's important to ask your cashiers, what does the clearance event mean? Look for signs. They may just have a sign posted at the front door or in the clearance section, or if they bring out bins, they may have those signs posted on the bins. But just ask your cashier, especially if you're doing Saturday deals and you want to pick up some clearance items as well. Go ahead and ask them. That way you can make sure that your subtotal will be $25 or more before taxes when you get up to the register. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of this video. I do want to remind everybody that I will be putting out a 5 off 25 scenario video today, shortly after this one goes live. Now the trick is with YouTube, if you put out 2 videos in one day, they tend not to push out that second video as much. So you definitely want to be on the lookout for it. I am also going to be doing a PNG insert giveaway in that video. So you definitely do not want to miss out on your chance to win a couple of free PNG inserts, and it does include the Tide coupons. You know I've got y'all's back, so just be on the lookout for that. And I've got one more thing I want to share with you guys. So I want to give a big shout out and introduce you guys to Iowa Coupon Mama. She has been a subscriber of mine for a while now. I'm sure some of you have seen her in the comment section down below. She posted a couple of deals on her Instagram, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So here is that Lady Speed Stick deal. Now, she did the math in her area, and her Lady Speed Stick is going to be marked down to 25% off and then an extra 50% off of that. So with this 50-cent coupon, that'll make it completely free, plus give you a little bit of overage. And then she also found some CoverGirl printable coupons on the coupons.com website. So before you leave your house, you want to print a couple of those off and take them with you because you are definitely going to need them. So big shout out and thank you to Iowa Coupon Mama. Now I have a favor to ask of you all. I want you to go and check out her brand new YouTube channel. She just started it and it is awesome. She makes really good videos, quick and easy deals. She covers CVS, Dollar General, all kinds of good stuff. As you can see here, she has 5 great tips to help out beginner couponers. So let's all go over to her YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and let's help her get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel and her Instagram in a pinned comment down below, and I know I have 500 friends that will definitely go and check out her YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button for her. Let's get her to 1K, guys. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I wish each and every one of you guys good luck this weekend. I hope you find some awesome deals during this clearance event and with your couponing deals. Like I said, I will be uploading a 5 off 25 video, so be on the lookout for that. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any videos when I post them. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, any deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.